My name is Chris Griffiths, and I'm a lifelong surfer from South Wales.
Langland's where I surf the most, yeah, because it's just down the road, and on any given wind and most conditions, it's probably got the best waves. There's only a small bay, but between low and high tide, there's probably 15 separate breaks to surf, so it's really varied. It's a little bit like if you go to Makaha in Hawaii, it's real family-orientated. You've got like 8-year-old guys, little kids playing in the shore break, and everything in between. And Langland's a bit like that, because some of the breaks are borderline world-class sort of reef breaks. But then other ones are real sort of old man and kid-friendly. So you get literally 3 generations of the same family surfing. So it's pretty cool. I did a lot of traveling, and the more I traveled, going to all these exotic places that you couldn't wait to get to, because, you know, they were exotic, and you'd hear the names and you'd seen photos and whatever. You know, Hawaii, a lot of South America, Central America, Australia, Brazil. And the more you travel, the more you realize that what you got at home is actually pretty special too, you know? Yeah, when the sun's out and the surf's good, there's nowhere prettier. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.